Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so what we got for you today? What we've got for you is a rather interesting item. Yes, you notice I said item because as you can see there, it looks like a pen, like a fountain pen. Yes, we've all heard of fountain pens. You've seen lots on my channel. You also would have seen or heard about vintage ink pencils, which basically, again, were pencils that used ink. But have you ever seen one of these rare items? What we've got for you here is a ink brush. Yes, an ink brush. It's a very rare item, and it was basically made by Parker, and it was made, I would say, around about sort of the late 1930s, 1940s. And for you that are in the know, you can see it was based on the Parker Duofold button filler. So if we unscrew the end here, okay, you can see there it's got the brass button. Okay, so by all intents and purposes, yes, it looks like a Parker Duofold. Even the size of it, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, at 133 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, a lovely 12 millimeters in diameter. So we're looking at it and saying, but Steph, it's a Parker Duofold fountain pen. No, it's not. As I said, it's a very rare item. It is one of the, if you like, one of the items that Parker made for the discerning artist, because they thought to themselves, yes, well, we do fountain pens, we do, or people do ink pencils. Let's make a ink brush, and this is it. So as I said, by all intents and purposes, it looks like a Parker Duofold fountain pen until we unscrew the cap and look at that. So as I said, what we've actually got is a ink brush built, if you like, into the pen itself. So what a great idea. Let's just show it to you, numerous different angles, in lovely condition, a very rare item. But the beauty about this, if I may say, is that when the artist actually goes out there into the countryside, wherever, to do their artwork, they don't have to bother with these long paint brushes. They can just simply get the ink brush with the clip, pop it into the shirt pocket, get their favourite pad, get their favourite ink, or even fill the pen with their favourite ink, and away they go, you know, for a walk in the countryside, by the river, wherever, to paint their favourite scene. So I think a superb idea. As I say, it's a very rare item. It's the first time I came across this one. I came across it quite recently, and I thought, right, it definitely needs to do, well, we need to do a review on this ink brush. And the beautiful thing about it, what I've actually done, I've actually tested it as well. I do like a little bit of art myself, so I went to a local area near me in the countryside to do a little bit of a painting, and yeah, let's just show you a little bit. I'm just literally just finishing it off now, and it'll be ready to go. Yeah, so I'm just finishing this this painting off. You can see it's all done in ink, so just got little bits and bats to sort of just finish off, like you see here, and there's just little bits that we need to do just to give it that extra. Okay, and look at that, look how beautiful it actually works as well. So, and there we go. Okay, so it's looking very nice. So what we need to do is just, I think, just sign the work, I think. So let's put our little sort of name to the bottom. And the date, 26. So there you go, look at that piece of work. And it was all done with this pen brush. So let's pop the cap back on, and there we have it. So just fill it with your favourite ink, get your favourite pad out, do a little bit of artwork, and you're ready to go. A very rare item. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed looking at this Parker ink brush as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to subscribe. But for now, I'm just going to say Slavo Kriini. And from me, this gorgeous ink brush. Bye-bye for now.